Welcome to the Shar and Joe Show. Today I will be in front of the camera again for this creative portrait photo shoot.
Yeah, so we drove out to Morton Grove this morning to the forest preserve. We're gonna be just using trees, logs, and other natural things.
Yep, fun fact, we actually shot both of our maternity photos out here, so I'm pretty sure there's some beautiful backdrop for this photo shoot.
Yeah, so let's get that first shot set up.
Yeah.
For this first shot, we're using a tree branch and we're gonna obscure part of Sharlene's face behind the leaves. So you could do this pretty much anywhere where you find a tree or a shrub. And we're doing it in the shade so that the lighting isn't too harsh, but you could play with the shadows and have the leaves kind of cast shadows over her face. You ready to get this one started?
Let's do this.
All right. With any kind of portrait, you should try to use something that's a little bit longer so that you don't distort the person's face. So I'm using a 24-70. I'm probably gonna shoot around 50 millimeters. I tried some wide angle just to see what it would look like. I think the longer lens is more appropriate. So Sharlene is set up here. I'm just gonna have a few of these leaves cover part of her hair and forehead, and then kind of wrap around her jawline. One other helpful tip, make sure that you focus on your subject and most importantly the eyes, because that's what engages somebody. So if the eyes are out of focus, the image on a portrait doesn't look quite as good. I'm ready to take this first shot.
So we changed locations. We're here next to a nice log. All I'm gonna be doing is jumping off of it and Joe's gonna catch a nice shot midair.
Sharlene's up on her log and then she's just gonna jump off. I set my camera on rapid shutter. I'm probably gonna lock the manual focus in just so that it's not hunting while she's in midair, and hopefully we get a shot.
2, 3.
We're getting eaten alive in the woods here.
Yeah, I have a big mosquito bite on my forehead right now.
Yeah, so we could Photoshop that out, but we want to hurry things along. So we found this nice arched tree that tipped over. So I'm gonna hoist Sharlene up top. She's gonna pose up there, have her leg kind of dangling off. I think I'll make a great portrait. Ready to get this one going?
Yeah, I hope I don't fall off that thing.
I hope so too, but I think she'll be fine.
This doesn't feel safe.
For this shot, we just need a big tree, so anybody should be able to do that. We found this big one with some rough bark, and it's got a little bit of dappled light coming through with the sun. And Sharlene's just gonna lean against it and we'll take a few shots. So what do you think?
I think I'm ready to hightail it out here.
Yeah, I mean, I got a few bites. Sharlene actually, her mosquito bites, I mean, you can see there's a giant one on her forehead.
Yeah.
She kind of gets a little bit of a reaction to them.
Yeah, I get this thing called, I think it's Skeeter syndrome, where it's like super big and it like swells up a lot. So
Yeah.
why I didn't pack mosquito repellent is beyond me. But that's my fault, I guess.
Yeah. But thanks so much for watching today's episode. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and put on that notification bell so you know when our next ones are coming out. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye. I can't, I'm feeling very scared. It's not glamorous. From a seed to a giant tree, nature teaches us that the small thing that you bury is not what rises out of the ground. A lesson about potential. It's probably trying to bite my leg.
Nothing on your leg.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I was there jumping off the log, and next thing you know, I jumped off and boom, lots of yucky dog poop. And so that's not good for mosquitoes either. Don't know what I'm gonna do. Problematic, guys. Very, very problematic.
Lean over my shoulder.
Yeah. Oh boy. I'm breathing. I don't know how much. Oh boy. Okay, this is not gonna work. I'm not even halfway there.
Lean back.
No, I'm not.
Lean back.